This is our Q2 update. Who would have thought that we would have had a Q2 like we've had? Obviously, the biggest topic is COVID and how that's affected the marketplace. Generally speaking, the second quarter is the best quarter of the year. March, April, May, that's when the market really starts to take off. This year, things were different. There was a lot of uncertainty at the start of this pandemic. People thought prices were going to plummet. People thought foreclosures were going to skyrocket. There was just a lot of uncertainty of what was going to happen and a lot of doom and gloom talk. However, the second quarter wasn't as bad as people thought it was going to be. The biggest problem hasn't been pricing, it's been inventory. Let's talk about the data though. This is what matters. Inventory. Inventory has been the biggest problem in the second quarter. Overall inventory was down 20% this quarter. And this isn't surprising. Let's face it, a lot of people didn't want people walking through their doors, some buildings didn't allow showings, and a lot of people didn't want to move during the pandemic. Pricing. Everybody thought these were going to plummet, but actually prices held up quite well and were up 2%. The main driving factor is the ultra low inventory and all-time low interest rates. Market time. The average market time is 83 days. One of the reasons why this is actually up a little bit is because certain types of property are performing better than others. Sales. Let's face it, closings is what really mattered, and each month closings were down. Let's take a look. In April, closings were down 20%. In May, closings were down 43%, and in June, closings were down 28%. That's an average of sales being down 30% in the second quarter. Now that sounds bad, but it's actually not as bad as a lot of people thought it would be. And the third quarter is already up for closings. The third quarter is already off to a hot start, but only time's gonna be able to tell what's gonna happen in the marketplace. Want to stay up to date in real estate? Subscribe to our page, hit that bell. See you guys.